Hello guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how to fix the problem if you're not receiving Instagram confirmation code. So you go to your Instagram, you type your username, click forgotten password, use your phone number, and you should receive message. But if you're not receiving message like me, you should check these things first. First thing you wanna do, check your airplane mode. If it's on, you cannot receive any message. So be sure that's checked off. The second thing you wanna check is in your settings, scroll down to messages. Now be sure that send as SMS is turned on. And the second thing you want to be sure of is that filter unknown senders is turned off, so you can receive your messages. If nothing helps, you can try to restart your phone. So you're gonna press the volume up and the lock button together and slide to power off. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.